Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So, how do you connect Woocommerce to your Facebook shop? So, this is going to be a quick setup. So, first and foremost, here on your, let's just go ahead to the actual Facebook shop first. So, we're going to do a quick provisioning, and also we're going to be provisioning our Woocommerce as well. So, just go ahead and log in. Just wait for it to load here. Okay, let me just go to my actual shop here. So we're going to be locating the URL. So once we get the URL, we're going to be pasting it on the WooCommerce website that we've just basically opened up. So let's just wait for it to load a little bit. Takes a little bit of time with my I do apologize. So let's just go ahead. We have a profile in the shop here, so we go ahead to our shop. Just wait for it to do its job here. So in here, you just basically on the page, you can now basically copy the URL and you could paste it to the shop connector basically. So I'm just going to see if there's some things that needs provisioning here. If not, then we can just go ahead and copy paste the link to our profile here, and it's going to be asking for a password and OTP, but nonetheless, that's how you do it. This is your store here. Click on Connect Store, paste the thing here, and then click on Continue, and that'll do the trick for you. Okay, and we're going to be revisioning a couple of addresses here on our end, because a lot of people have been wondering why they can't seem to connect it. It's basically because the addresses are messed up on our Facebook shop. It's not really on par and connect basically identical with the ones we have on our Woo account. So on our account here, this is just for tutorial purposes, we're going to be updating some of our addresses here in order for us to successfully use this one. Okay, so later we'll be going to this one. Yeah, they've been sending a couple of notifications, but that's just basically normal thing. So renew existing subscription in default currency. We're going to be updating the address here because that's what's missing. So I've noticed on the Facebook shop, the address doesn't seem to match here, so we're going to be on par here, whatever address this is that I have on the actual shop itself. So shipping address, let's just put the shipping address here, and country name is optional. Company name, we do have a company name. It's me and my dad's, so we will put it here with the last name here, Benedicto. Again, it has to be on par with whatever you have on your the credentials of your store. Okay, so company name, Arbion, and enterprise. So, and here they have the this is optional. So yeah, this is just a quick revisioning process. So RB and okay, you guys can search this up. We basically we are basically enterprise, and also we do some woodworks as well. So we shift from a main supplier source to basically distribute it to a lot of companies that require wood on they're basically manufacturing. So we have UK, United States. You could just basically put whichever country it is you see befitting. And here the street address we're going to be putting out here. The street address and name, and apartment suite unit as well. So I'm going to be filling all this up, like the town and city again. So once we're done with all of that, basically, then should be 100% operational now. So here's the billing address. You can just re-edit that. Please be aware, okay, that this one right here should be on par with the ones you have on the Facebook. Okay, so select a country here. We are at Philippines. Okay, we are not international, so that's why I was just making sure that well, we're going to be international soon, because my aunt is actually married to a Singaporean, so we have been making deals, but enough with personal details here. So enter the taxpayer's code. So yeah, it's just a sample code, of course. I'm not going to, you kidding me? I'm not going to actually show it here, because due to YouTube being very, very sensitive about these stuff, it doesn't really want to be held accountable with data basically exposed. So new application, password name, you can basically add it here to add a new application password, and yeah, it should be working smoothly by now, and all of them meanwhile connected to your actual shop. Okay, and not just that, you could, the beautiful thing about Woocommerce is that it's not just Facebook shop. You could also connect Shopify, TikTok shop. What else? There's a lot of things that you could actually connect to this site supporter here. So that's the beautiful thing about this one. So yeah, that's just basically it, guys. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys, and yeah, just please subscribe, and yeah, follow and like us for more tutorials like this one. So thank you so much for watching Tech Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.